What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to deal with something that's been plaguing me for a long time. I finally was able to get the parts that I needed, and we're just going to cut the fat. That right there is new door handles. As you can see, somebody a long time ago tried breaking into my Tahoe and they broke all of this, right? And now it still opens, but you see that gap and all that, right? And when I wash the truck, water gets in there, which ends up in there. And then I get shit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but behind here, well, it's not that bad, but like right here, see that? I get stuff like that. We don't want that where we're going. So what I'm gonna do is unhook the battery, because I gotta take this out. I gotta take all this off. And with the door open, I don't want the drain, right? Because I don't want my Holly to fuck up. Because apparently, if my battery goes dead, I lose my tune. Which is kind of fucking retarded, to be honest. There's a lot of shit with Holly that's been pissing me off lately. We're gonna deal with that in a future video, because I just spent another $400 Canadian on more Holly shit. Yeah, we're having issues with the throttle body. IAC's not saving the position, it's not setting itself. And I think it's the throttle body, just due to some of the stuff I was reading online about it. Some of the reviews are saying the same issues that I've been having. There's something fucking wrong with this shit. But 92mm L line or LR racing, some shit. We're getting rid of it. We're putting a fucking Holly sniper on it. So stay tuned for that. But for now, I got two new handles here from Amazon. I would show you the part number, but the reason that I don't put links in the description below is because between me ordering this shit and getting it, it's no longer available. So it doesn't really pay. I just usually, when I put the part number down, that'd be just kind of like a reference for you guys. That's not the actual fucking link. So that's why I don't put them in the description. But yeah, they're not plastic, they're metal. So I'm going to begin. This one's fine. We're going to save that one for later. But I'm going to begin by, like I said, disconnecting the battery. And then we're going to start taking this door panel off. Alright guys. Actually, before you unhook the battery, first thing you're going to want to do is roll the window up. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to probably get into the bolts back here that you're going to need, because one of them's right here. It's right there. And the other one's like inside here, and I'm thinking the window's going to be in the way. So roll the window up. I have all, and the second thing you're going to want to do, actually probably the first thing actually, crack yourself a Pabst, because, you know, America. It's an American truck, so you gotta have that whole America vibe going on with the America dash and the America theme, right? Anyways, I got all the screws out of here. There's really no clips in this door panel, because I've had it off so many times before to change the speakers, change the lights in there to blue, change the door fucking bullshit. So, which still doesn't work properly, but I'll deal with that in a future video. So at the end of this video, the door panel might not be on, but the door handle will work. It's because I'm probably going to order some new clips, and those will take 4 to 6 weeks because I live in Canada. Anyways, let's pop this fucker off. Alright, got the door panel off, as you guys can see. And now we're working on this inner structure. Apparently gotta take all the screws out around the side of it to get behind here, to get in there. Because in there, I don't know if you guys, because that screw there you need to get the door handle off. And then you got the lock mechanism and all that in there as well. So I figured to make life easier, we'll just have to take this off. I got one guy there left there, one there. And then this panel should hopefully just move away. I don't know. Or it's not supposed to come off and I'm supposed to come through here. I don't know, guys. I've never done this before. Honestly, like, I've never done this before. So I'll try taking that off throughout the outside and see what happens. before I take the last 2 screws off, and I'll let you know. Alright folks, got the door handle out. I need to clean up around it. You don't need to take any of this off. I was getting a spam call, sorry. You don't gotta take this off. I fucked up. Hopefully I can realign everything. I'm gonna try that now. But yeah, here's the old door handle. You can see, broken, cracked. Kind of how you doing? And here's the new one. All new and clean and looking not bad. So I'm gonna put the lock mechanism and all that on it, and we'll throw it in and see how it functions. Well, door handles are back on. As you can see, there's a nice sandal print in it, because these fucking handles are garbage. Look at this. Fucking junk. I'm honestly sick of this fucking truck, guys. I really am. Comment down below. Should I just get rid of it? Like, I'm really fucking at the point of calling the guy tomorrow, the tow truck guy in town, and getting him just to come fucking haul this piece of shit off for scrap. Because I am fucking really sick of this fucking shit. So now I'm gonna take the door back apart and just fucking scrap it. I don't know what else to do. But yeah. I went to replace the door handles and this video failed, so you'll probably not see this. Well folks, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. I don't know, I think those handles that I ordered were kind of shit, honestly. It seems like the one screw hole didn't line up, and when they were on, they didn't work, as you saw. I have my door handle right now taped up, just for now. Inside here, got this is fucking loose for some reason as well, the door handle. I don't know why. Well, it was, no it's not. Weird. It was loose. But I have the door panel off right now. Because what I'm going to do in the morning is I'm going to talk to the auto body shop that's over here at Gasoline Alley, which is like literally like right out the door, like right there. And see if they can figure this out before I tear the living fuck out of this even more. Because yeah, the whole truck needs needs a paint job, but I wanted to minimize on it. Like, that doesn't need a paint job, you know, that kind of thing. Like, yeah, there's some nicks and some dings like that, shit like that needs to be fixed, but as a whole, it doesn't need a full thing. So hopefully we can fix that. The doors also aren't lined up right. They're twisted because of the door pins, as you can see. Gap, tight as a nun down at the bottom. So that's another thing that we're going to be working on in the future. But Jesus fuck, man, this thing just keeps fighting me every step of the fucking way. That's why it hasn't left the garage yet, folks. You've been wondering why this truck is still here, why it hasn't been out on the road, why we haven't done any pulls yet. Because every fucking time I do something, 10 other cocksucking things fucking break. It's just the nature of the beast. Like now, okay, while I'm working on this shit, I've got some stuff on order. I've ordered the for cosmetics, the knobs for like a 2010 to 2017 Chevy Express van, just to kind of bring some more class into this piece of shit. And I also ordered, like I may have said earlier in the video, a Holley Sniper throttle body, because I've been having problems with the IAC settings on this. And basically what I'm saying with that is, it gets up to temperature, the IAC won't stay the same. Okay, and by that, what you're supposed to, from what I've seen online, you're supposed to get this thing up to temperature, right? Find out what your IAC percentage is, adjust it to between 2 and 10%, do a throttle TPS sensor, which is right there, TPS auto set, and then it's supposed to set everything, and everything's supposed to be golden. Okay? It wasn't doing it. Today, just now, had it running. She decided to fucking do it. So what? There's $400 out my pocket. But no, when it shows up, we are going to put the Holy Sniper on it, and we are going to set it up. The line racing, I'm not sure what we're going to do with it yet. But, yeah, that's all. I can't open. Boo. You whore. Comment down below if you know what that's from. But we can do this, so. Turn your speakers down. Like, it sounds so good. So good. I don't fucking understand it, folks. What's the IAC at? 198, 2 to 1. See, it's dropping. It was at 8, and it was holding there. Now it's dropping down. So I'm gonna have to do it all over again. It looks like it's not working. Not a big deal. Fuck it, I'm tired of this. But I don't get sick of that sound, I tell ya. And look, no leak. Oh. What is that? Oh, that's nothing. Okay, we're good. I thought we had some shit leaking. Anyways, it's at 0 now. So I'll have to readjust it again. But this throttle body is complete garbage. It does not set, and I'm sorry if you can't hear me. My phone is also being a piece of shit where I zoom in and out and it fucks up my my volume. So I'm gonna have to probably get a microphone. But no, that's where we're gonna end it today. I failed again. Failed the skidoo. And I failed this shit because of fucking cheap Amazon garbage. So we've been winning like crazy on the channel, like crazy. Like everything that I've touched has been a win until recently. But par for the course, man. Just par for the course. You got to take your ups with your downs. But that being said, I don't know. Should we sell the Tahoe? I've been thinking about getting rid of it, thinking about getting a different project in. But then again, we are Tahoes and Turbos, right? My channel is about my Tahoe. So, I don't know. I think I'm just burnt out. You know, I've been working on this same fucking truck forever. It feels like forever. And I guess I'm just burnt out. So, but, that's why we got other shit. But anyways, I'm going to end it there. If I have any updates on what I'm doing now, we'll let you know. Otherwise, the next video will be probably some parts that show up. Or I'll put the wheels on the truck, or we'll do something with the Pontiac. At this point, I have no fucking clue. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm trying not to lose my cool and kick the doors in. You know, try not to just fucking stomp on the bitch, right? That's kids. I'm an adult. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself. Love you. God bless.